good to start dark on this kind of thing so the heat doesn't get into the grapes before we bring them inside, and not having to contain all of that and cool it down. My name's Landon. I'm Landon Miller. It's my first harvest out here with Signor. It's exciting. I've been watching these vines since dormancy in the freeze earlier this year. I was sitting out in the snow out here, just, it feels like just a couple days ago, it was a few months ago. And now here we are. It's day 2 of harvest, and the excitement of everything coming off and beautiful fruit, and everybody's energized. Today we're harvesting Tannat. It's actually the highest acreage, highest yield varietal we have. Last year we were able to get 8 tons off of this block, but already we're at 7 and we're about halfway there. So we don't exactly know how much is out here. We just keep going at it.
It's great to get personal with the fruit. I mean, sorting it by hand, you feel the fruit of your labor. Literally, been watching these vines grow over the year from dormant to budding, and then here they are, full color change, and they're plump and they're ready to go. And so to touch them and clip them yourselves, and our crew is getting their hands on it, we're aware of the condition of each vine very intimately there, because you're crouched down dealing with it, and you're looking at how, it's not just how does the fruit look, but how do the cane and the stems, what is the condition of the leaves here? Is this look like a healthy vine? You're more in connection with the vineyard, whereas if you were to just send a machine through, it's not going to have that attention to detail.
Signor, in previous years, we've sent all our fruit up to Oregon for Eric to make it there. So it had a lot of transportation and keeping it cool and a refrigerated truck and all this. It's very exciting that today we drove a few miles down the road from our vineyard to here, and we're getting to produce it in the Texas Hill Country for the first time.
My name is Eric Weisinger. I am the winemaker for Signor Vineyards. In the wine industry, we kind of think about our experience, or like whether you've got 1 harvest or 2 harvests or 3 harvests or whatever. And I was counting them up just recently because someone asked me, and I was like, I'm not really sure. When I start adding it up, I realized that my 40th harvest will be right here in Texas. So probably the biggest thing to us is that we're here in Texas processing the fruit as opposed to shipping the grapes up to Oregon, which is what we've done for about the last 5 years. So that in and of itself is a huge thing for us. The most unique thing for me personally is that I got to pick grapes for the first time ever in Texas. I thought that the fruit yields looked really good. I didn't see anything that looked unusual. It was a little bit warmer, a little bit more humid than we're used to in Oregon, but all in all, I thought it was a really big success. Tastes like wine.